more progressive journalism, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
Averting another showdown with the radical Islamist party that was threatening to hold a long march to Islamabad, Pakistan government has released 350 activists of the banned outfit Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan, Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid has announced. TLP workers have been holding violent protests across the nation, especially in Lahore, against the government of Prime Minister Imran Khan for not releasing their party chief Saad Hussain Rizvi. Rashid said on Sunday, after reviewing TLP's demands, the issue will be resolved peacefully by Tuesday. The opposition parties and the proscribed outfit had staged separate protests in multiple cities of the country, resulting in Islamabad, Lahore and Rawalpindi being partially shut down. After leading a government team in negotiations with representatives of the TLP, including Rizvi, its detained chief in Islamabad, the Interior Minister tweeted, "We have released 350 TLP workers up to now, and we are still waiting to open both sides of the road of Murid Ke as per the decision with the TLP."